In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people on projects in Basecamp. We'll walk through the whole process from the very beginning, starting with inviting someone to your Basecamp account if they're brand new, and then adding them to a specific project so they can actually see and work on what they need. First, let's talk about inviting someone to your account. If the person you want to add has never used your Basecamp before, you'll start on the home screen. This is the main dashboard you see when you log in. Look for the button labeled Invite People. Go ahead and click that. Basecamp will now ask you what type of user you're inviting. You'll usually see options like employee, contractor, client, or guest. Choose the option that best describes this person. This matters because it affects what they can see and do across your Basecamp account, especially when it comes to client-facing work and internal conversations. Next, you'll enter their basic details. Type in their name and email address, and if you'd like, you can also include their title or company. Keeping this information accurate helps everyone on your team know who's who. When you're done, click the button that says something like Send Invitation. This sends them an email invite and adds them to your account so they're available to be added to projects. Now that they're in your account, or if they were already a member, you'll want to add them to a specific project. Open the project where you want this person to collaborate. Once you're inside the project, look for a button that says Add/Remove People or Set Up People. It's usually near the top of the page or close to the list of avatars showing who's already on the project. Click that and then look for a plus Invite People or plus Add People button. When you click it, you'll be able to start typing names. If the person is already part of your Basecamp account, their name should appear as you type and you can just select it. If they're not in your account yet, you can enter their email address here to invite them directly from the project. Before you finalize, Basecamp may ask you to set permissions for this project. Choose the appropriate role, such as client, collaborator, or follower, depending on how involved they should be. Finally, click Add or Send Invitation, and they're now part of that project and ready to start working with you.